Hi guys, today is March 13 and I wanted to give you a little tour of the sunroom because in a few weeks I will be filming because the flowers are going to come up. Each spring I have a very big boom of flowers that comes up because of the sun, because of the spring. Now I'm showing you the back of the shelves. That's why you can't see the names because I have a lot of sunlight coming in here. So I pulled all the shelvings away from the windows to give you, because I couldn't film it the other way around because of the windows. Too much sunshine was coming in. So all these plants, last time I showed you, they all looked like crap because they were going to be cleaned. And now they've all been cleaned up and they're regrowing. They're doing super well. They're still small at the moment. We don't see a lot of that flower activities. There's some here and there, but at least now you'll have something to compare with, because in a few weeks, like I say, when the sunshine starts to, when the spring arrives, the plants react to it. And there's more down there. So we will be able to compare with the March 13 video. These were the last, no, these were not the last ones cleaned up. And that's what they look like for now. They're still small. That's why some of you say, hey, you don't offer so many leaves of this and this. And yeah, that's why, because they're still growing. And that's what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Let's get a close-up. If I can get this one. Look at that, nice green edges. Oh, the cat just went by. If you want to know what those are, you're going to have to watch the What's in Bloom videos. What are you guys doing? The big fat cat. No, Kira, you can't wag your tail. See why she's not allowed to come in here? She's a tail wagger. It's like a big strap going around. Let me get you over there. Here are the variegateds. They're doing well, slowly growing. So if you're buying leaves, folks, this is where they come from. Look at that. Not a little bit of blooms, not much. You'll see the big difference in a few weeks. And there's more. And then we have the bottom shelf there. It gives you a little bit of an idea. And if I bring you. And the last part. There you go. I have two more shelving units downstairs. They're not ready to come up yet. They're doing very well. They're still small. Like a plant like this, I would offer just like maybe 1 or 2 leaves off it because I can't offer more right now. But once it gets settled in the pot, it's going to grow out like crazy. These were the last ones that were cleaned up. Not many flowers. Just really remember there's not many flowers. Because I'm going to show you something else in a few weeks. And these were very recently done. Same thing. Just growing up. And a few more up here. I'm sorry about the light in the window. I see it. But there's windows everywhere here, so. And the last one. I got in the back of it to show you. Very small plants still. They're growing nicely. And there you go. That's a mini tour, March 13. I shall be back in a few weeks and show you something else. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.